Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a young boy named Hiro. Hiro was known throughout the village for his boundless curiosity and adventurous spirit. One day, while exploring the outskirts of the village, Hiro stumbled upon an old, weathered book hidden beneath a moss-covered rock. Intrigued, he opened its pages to find a collection of ancient Zen stories. As Hiro read through the tales of wisdom and enlightenment, he became captivated by their profound simplicity. Each story offered a glimpse into the deeper truths of life, guiding Hiro on a journey of self-discovery and understanding. One story, in particular, resonated deeply with Hiro. It was the story of a young monk who sought enlightenment by climbing a towering mountain. Along the way, the monk encountered many obstacles and challenges, but he persisted with unwavering determination. At last, the monk reached the summit of the mountain, only to find a wise old sage sitting quietly amidst the swirling mists. With a humble heart, the monk approached the sage and asked, "What is the secret to enlightenment?" The sage smiled knowingly and replied, "The secret, dear monk, lies not in reaching the summit, but in embracing the journey itself. Enlightenment is not a destination to be reached, but a path to be walked with mindfulness and grace." Hiro pondered the sage's words long after closing the book. He realized that life, like the journey of the young monk, was filled with obstacles and challenges. Yet it was also brimming with beauty and wonder, waiting to be discovered with an open heart and mind. From that day forward, Hiro approached life with a newfound sense of wonder and appreciation. He learned to embrace each moment as it came, finding joy and meaning in the simplest of things. And as he walked his own path of enlightenment, Hiro became a beacon of inspiration for all who knew him. And so, dear friends, let Hiro's story remind us that the journey of life is filled with infinite possibilities. May we all walk our paths with courage, curiosity, and an unwavering commitment to discovering the wisdom that lies within.